I got a little sidetracked. Mimsy, look what I got for you. Incoming. Where'd you go, Mimsy? I can't find you. Where'd you go, my love? There you are. Jillian, you need to go do what I told you to do. I love you. Go work on your room. You may grab Alexa for music. Go pick up everything and head to your room and clean.
Alexa's already down there. Downstairs.
Yes. Hey, you, I brought you food. Psst. You have some food. Nom noms. Come on, get it. I got a little sidetracked. I was going to get a few dandelions. But instead I filled up a huge bucket for her. Oh, yums. Can you see down there really good? I can't tell. Can I move something that gets in the way? Can you see good? I'm trying to get it right down by her. Can you guys see it? I think this is in the way. There. I'm really freaking close. I hope it's working. see, was that working? Oh yeah, it was really close. Well, the food's behind you, goofball. Here. Now she's gonna stomp it and charge it, and then she'll eat it. You booger. You must crumple it and then eat it. Hey, where'd you go? You trampling everything? Mimsy. Mimsy, mimsy, mimsy. She's gonna take a walk and spin around and then eat a bit. That's a funny thing, she's making the food face again.
I put the fan on top of our kitchen so it's warmer here.
Thank you, babes.
Cooler.
Love you too. She's turned around and ignoring us. Let's see what she's gonna do. Come on, you. She's my buddy. I love her so much. Come on. That's my girl. Come over here and eat. You are so beautiful. Yes, babes?
I found the cat for a take her off so then we can get fur off the chairs.
Good job, but do what I asked you to do, please.
I know.
How are you doing, Malwin? The grape leaves are just starting to grow in the backyard. As soon as they get a little bit bigger, I'm gonna pick some for her, but they're too little right now. She'd still eat them, but it's not worth picking them and let them grow bigger. Because they're itsy bitsies right now. They're itsy bitsy. And this hibiscus is getting so big. I just got a red one too the other day. That's outside and it started to bloom. I'll post pictures later. Where are you going? To get a drink of water? I would too. You've been drinking a lot, eating a lot. Beanie, behave. Hey, Rusty. Here's my buddy Mimsy and I. No, Max doesn't listen either. They're little punks. I wonder if I try to get this down again, if it'll work. No, there's stuff in front. Trying to get like smack down in front of her, but there's so many greens I put in here that it's hard to get down here. Is that a better angle? Is it even focused? There. I could sit and watch her eat all day. I'm weird. I just like watching her eat. Yeah, they are crested brats. It's funny. Total crested brats. I'm gonna try and get this out of here. There. There, hi, beautiful. Seriously, you can eat grass. It's okay. Grass is good too. If you were in the wild, that's all you'd eat. Oh no, don't eat. I'm gonna move up a little bit. I'm gonna put this on my YouTube too, so I gotta somehow save it and put it on the YouTube and then delete it. On the YouTube, I sound like I'm a million years old. On the YouTube. I meant on my YouTube. Oh my God. I sound like I'm 5 million years old. I'm gonna post it on the YouTube. She's getting big. She's 10 pounds now. Shut up and get lost face it was. It's crazy how she'll just eat and eat and eat and keep eating. Actually, I'm gonna see if this will work there. I'm not gonna videotape her eating this whole thing because it'll probably take her a couple hours. Oh, I know, don't rotate your phone. God, I hate when it does that. Why can't I rotate my phone? It's a better angle. I wish I'd fix that. Change it. It's like something's stuck. Give it, give it, give it, give it. It took you think after all these years they would just change that little thing, but I bet you it's probably, I'm thinking it's not a little thing, but it probably is like a huge thing. Otherwise it would have been changed. Technology is awesome, but it can also be a total bitch. I wonder, is it recording right? I mean, are you guys seeing? Can you see it, Moen? Yes. Facebook can be really stupid. Does the recording blink out, or is it always recording? Can you always see Mimsy? Okay, cool. I forgot there's a 10-second delay. Thank you. I'm going to see if Zazu likes dandelions too. I'm sure he or she, I don't know if it's a male or female until it gets older. The cherry head. The baby. Max is not thrilled. Max is not happy with me. He's jealous. Sometimes I swear he sounds like he's a dying dinosaur. It's like, really, Max? Jillian's trying to get music on to drown him out. I just can't believe how much he just keep eating, just keep eating. Just like, just keep swimming, just keep swimming. You hear the pink brat? Yeah, he is obnoxious. Oh, you're actually eating grass. About time. Usually she'll be picky and just eat like the dandelion leaves or the dandelions. I wonder how long the video is so far. I gotta watch it. Can't see it. 16 minutes. And what about my... Okay. I had to see where my battery was, too. Oh, I'm sure Mimsy would share. She's a little glutton, though. Oh, he's irritated. He starts... I don't know if you can hear, but he starts screaming this weird scream when he gets mad. He's like, pay attention to me. It's crazy. She just keeps going and going. Oh, no. Get out of there. Run. There's a funny song or edit. I don't know if it says something about run. It's funny. I haven't seen it for a long time. But that's what I think about when you say that. Like, run. Grab that one. Yeah, get it out of your way, Mimsy. Never mind. That's a cool screenshot with her neck stretched out. Oh, of course, yeah. I say it's cool, and then you put your neck in, you little turd. Hi, Eve. Mimsy's just chowing away. Thank you. I'm live, Jillian. I'm live. Be good.
But can I please use my tablet so I can so I can turn on my headphones? It's so loud.
I'm only going to do a few more minutes of this, and then
I will be used to.
I'll be done.
Music went all the way up.
Shut your door, honey. Max is being obnoxious. Shut that door, too. Shut that downstairs door, please. Yeah. She eats her greens really good. Jillian, please shut that door. Yeah, and it's irritating me. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna lie. Jillian, shut that door! Ooh, look what I found. Jackpot. Thank you, Jillian. That's what Max needs, is screeches so he'll be quiet. She loves her hibiscus. Already gone. As soon as basically when I drop it down there, she smelled it and it was gone. Mimsy's my buddy, so I shouldn't interfere with you with eating though, should I? These guys like scratches too. It's funny. They'll lean to the side that you're rubbing them on, scratching them on. Get a spin around. Say hi. No, I didn't. But when we cleaned Zarya's shell, the turtle that's in the tank, she does the same thing. We scrub her with the toothbrush, and it's so cute. Like we'll be scrubbing her shell, and then whatever part we're scrubbing, she leans there. We thought it was just a coincidence, but then we just kept doing it, and then she would go back and forth and back and forth. I wish the lighting was better, but it's work. Can you guys see pretty good? The shadow. Where you going, babe? She loves her dandelions. I went out to get a couple dandelions, but then I got more dandelions, and I got and more and more and more and more. There, that might work a little bit better right there. She's my babes. She's getting big. I gotta go down there. It sounds like he's gonna be sounds like he's dying. That damn bird. I could give Jillian a break. It's frustrating after a while. We joke around about it, but it gets frustrating. Is that yummy, Mimsy? That's about it, Moen. Yes, exactly. He's freaking nuts. Oh my god. I thought she was gonna stop, and she hasn't stopped since I started. Neither has Max, for God's sakes. Moen, can you take a screenshot? If you're still here? Or a couple of screenshots? I know. Don't rotate your camera, your phone. I wonder if I go like... Oh, I can zoom in. Sweet. I don't think I could zoom. Thank you. Her neck feels so cool. Like when we first got her, I wanted to touch her neck, and I couldn't for the longest time, and it feels really weird. But you gotta be careful because when she pulls it back in, you can get pinched. She's pretty used to me now, though. She's my buddy. Yes, kind of like leather. It's really cool. Like polished leather. It's really sweet. I'm sure it's polished because she's always moving it all the time. I have to admit, I think she's my favorite out of all my animals. I like watching her grow and eat and change, and it's hard to see her grow. I mean, I see that she's getting bigger, but what I'm saying is I don't see a big difference because I see her all the time. If that makes sense. It does. It feels like polished leather. It's crazy. But you got to feel fast because as soon as she won't leave her neck out for too long. Sometimes she will. Like she likes to have it rubbed sometimes. But you never know when she's going to snap it in. It's like, shit. There she goes. Nini. What does Nini mean? I always wanted to ask you. Me ping. Me ping. Hey, you come back here. How many minutes is this? 20. I'm gonna try and end it at 30 minutes so I can upload it to YouTube and then delete it off my phone because it's a long video. Oh, that's funny. Come on, you. And those little feet, too. Where'd the other foot go? It's hidden. She says, hi. That's a good angle, too. I just wish the lighting was better. It's hard to get the right lighting because there's no lighting. I mean, just normal light, not much. She's hiding her feet from being... I bet you she is hiding her feet. I would be, too. No feet for you. Let me check the time. Okay, now it's 30:05. I'm going to do it to 31 minutes because I need it even. I don't need it even, but I'm just stubborn. I want it at an even number. This. Oh, there's her head. I'm like, where'd your head go? Okay, but 20 more seconds. I'm gonna cut it off. Thank you for joining. Oh, there's a good light. Shit. Bye-bye, later. I always say later. I never want to say goodbye because goodbye is forever. I always say later. And so I gotta do a 32. I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna try to, anyway. Where you going, punk? I gotta go over here to turn around. Let's see if I can end it at 32 minutes. Hey, where'd you go? Punk. I knew you were. That's a cool screenshot. Want to take bets if this will be empty by tonight?